Enhance engineering efficiency with SIMIT Rapid Tester. Continuous validation through automated testing. Automation engineering in both process and discrete industries is highly complex and subject to frequent changes. Having a reliable engineering is crucial to ensure efficiency and safety. In order to guarantee complete correctness in engineering, repetitive tests of logic, interlock, sequence, and so on are required. When performing such tests, automation engineers need to ensure quality while increasing test efficiency and minimizing human error. The challenge is that most times the testing process is usually repetitive and actually inefficient, causing frustration to the engineers. The use of simulation can dramatically improve the quality of your automation systems, test scenarios, and routines. SIMIT Rapid Tester is a tool specifically designed to automatically test project-specific engineering and libraries. It seamlessly integrates with Siemens products like SIMATIC PCS7, SIMATIC PCS Neo, TIA Portal, as well as with other third-party automation products over OPC UA. With a simple and intuitive user interface, both experienced and new users will be easily adapted to the tool, being able to create the graphical modeling of the test logic via drag and drop. The solution can automate any test scenario, such as regression and migration. Test types and parameters can be easily created and stored in libraries. Test instances can be imported or exported with CSV files, enabling the reuse of engineering data while increasing data consistency. Reports are generated with test results and detailed insights that are useful for engineers and managers. SIMIT Rapid Tester enables automation engineers and plant owners to reduce time and costs due to less effort for testing. Increase quality with continuous validation and higher test coverage. Ensure traceability with automatically generated reports. Reduced risks due to no human errors.